Hi guys, my name is Wyatt. I'm 5 years old. My first day of welding.
Okay, we're gonna do some practicing first, huh? Let's show them what we're gonna do. Okay, we're gonna practice spot welding first on just a piece of metal. Okay, hold it with both hands. You're gonna have that hand on your trigger, and that hand will help you hold it. And then you're gonna follow those lines, and you're just gonna do circles on those lines. Hold it up a little bit so you can see it. Can you see it? Do circles on the lines. Okay, practice it. Just little circles.
Okay.
Like we're making little O's. Make little O's over the line. Can you see it good that way, or do you want me to turn it? Is that gonna help you? Going sideways? Can you see it better that way, or you wanna do it the other way?
Better this way.
Better that way? Okay, give me a sec. Don't do nothing. Don't hit the trigger though, okay? See how that's out a little bit further? Okay, don't hit the trigger though. Okay, now practice it. Can you see your line? Can you see your piece of metal? Okay, try to do circles on the lines, right on the line. Try to get it right on the line, and we're just gonna do little circles like this. Okay, keep practicing. Can you get it right on the line? That. Keep practicing. I'll get you a little piece of wood. Okay. Rest your arm on there, see if that helps.
Okay.
Does that help? Okay, we ready to try the real thing? Okay. Get your helmet on. Ready? Okay, hold it. Don't hit the trigger nothing until I tell you.
Okay.
Get comfortable where you can see that line. Comfortable? Can you see the line? Okay. Arm up a little bit.
Yes.
We're just gonna hit the trigger for about a second. Hit the trigger. Stop. Hit the trigger again. Hit it again. Stop. Okay, we're getting it. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Hit the trigger. Stop. Hit the trigger. Stop. Hit the trigger. Hit the trigger. Okay, we want to make a full circle and then let off.
Okay.
Hit the trigger. Yep. Hit the trigger. Just little circles. Hit the trigger. Stop. Okay. Is that shield working good?
Yes.
It's clicking on and off?
Yes. But I feel like it's going dark and then it's starting to go light.
That's what it's supposed to do, but it's not really bright. It's not. Does it look like that? Is it that bright? No? Okay, then it's working. If it's as bright as my flashlight, you stop welding and tell me, okay?
Okay.
You gonna try it on your own?
Did I do the circles perfect?
You did them perfect.
Yes.
Okay.
Can I hit it?
Hit it.
Did I do it good?
Huh?
Did I do it good?
Yeah, you got to keep practicing. Lift up a little bit. Lift it up off that piece of metal a little bit. There you go. Perfect. Keep doing it like that.
Okay.
Lift it up a little bit. You want it to be about that far off.
Okay.
Okay, hit the trigger. You can keep going. Try to keep them right next to each other.
Okay.
Lift up on your arm. There you go. All right, give me a sec. I gotta adjust my helmet. We're gonna try one more thing. We're just gonna do little tacks. No circles, just tacks.
Okay.
Let's clean that tip off. Okay. Can you see your line?
Yeah.
Okay, don't hit the trigger or anything. We're just gonna go zzz, zzz, zzz. We're not gonna do any circles.
Okay.
Okay? You ready?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna show you.
Okay.
Okay. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Can you see everything? Keep going down that line.
Ow.
Oh, did you get burned?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you gotta be careful.
Ow.
Did we get you good?
Ow. It hurts
I
bad.
bet it hurts. Show me where you got your first welding burn.
Here.
Let's see it. Did you burn your clothes yet?
I don't know.
You gonna tell the people that you got burned?
I got burned.
Was it hot?
Yes.
You're gonna have to find you a different shirt. They don't make a whole lot of kids' shirts for welding. Where'd you get it? Right there? Oh no, look at that. You gonna need a Band-Aid?
No.
Nope. Okay. Hopefully that's the worst burn you ever get welding. Okay, Wyatt, what do you think about your weld so far?
Pretty good.
You gonna show everybody? How's it stuck on there? Pick it up. Pretty happy with them so far?
Yes.
Okay, let's set it down and let's look at it. Okay, we're gonna keep practicing the stitching. See these? How they're pretty close?
Mm-hmm.
I want you to keep doing that.
Got it.
Just zzz, 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 zzz. Try to get them close like these ones.
How can you get those dots everywhere?
You did them. You ready to do some more welding?
Yes. Mine.
Okay.
The numbers on?
As long as the numbers are on, it's working.
if they are not on, not looking.
Yeah, exactly. You tell Dad if the numbers aren't on.
Okay.
Get your gun set up. Get comfortable. Make sure you can see everything before you start welding.
Just these dots?
Yep, just keep following those dots.
Okay.
Okay, stick them right next to each other. Hold the trigger just a little bit longer. There you go. Right next to each other.
Is that better?
It's looking pretty good, kiddo. Looking pretty darn good.
Are you gonna brush it?
See how you're getting these ones right on top of the line?
Mm-hmm.
That's what we want. We want it right on top of the line like that.
It's kind of like I'm curving my road.
It's like you're doing what?
Curving a road that's a welding road.
A welding road, huh? We got Groot back here. Groot, you can't be out here. You gotta get back in the office.
Can I brush it?
You wanna brush it clean?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, brush it clean. I'll hold it, you brush it.
Okay. Can you turn it around?
Like that?
Mm-hmm. No, like that. Yeah.
Like that? Okay, brush it.
Pretty good.
Is that fun?
Yes.
Is that worth being good at school?
Yes.
So Wyatt, what are you practicing your welding for?
To make a monster truck.
You want to make a monster truck, huh?
Yes, but with a little help.
With a little help from who?
You.
I suppose I can help you build a monster truck. We're gonna have to do a little bit more practice welding though, huh?
Mm-hmm.
We don't want the monster truck to fall apart on us, do we?
No. Can I draw little lines?
You want to draw it? Let's just do one line here.
Okay.
Right down the middle. Well, we'll do it up here. That way we got room to do another one. Draw the line. Is it dark enough? Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay. You gonna make a perfect line of beads?
Yes.
You gonna stack some dimes?
Yes.
Tell everyone you're gonna be stacking dimes.
I'm gonna be stacking dimes.
All right, let's get to stacking, homie. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do this. Closer. Get closer. Here, give me a sec. Stop. We gotta get just a little bit closer. We got too much wire sticking out there, kiddo. Ah. Can't do this backwards. There you go. Stay on the line.
Okay.
About that far away.
Okay.
Okay, go. Perfect. Go. right, lift your arm up just a little bit. Lift your arm up a little bit. Like that. Lift your arm up. Well, that's pretty darn good. You're getting better, ain't you?
I'm gonna brush it off. Oh, why is it stuck?
Brush it off. The sticking will hold it to the table. What do you think?
Good.
Start welding stuff up. We ready for SEMA?
Yes, I wanna weld 2 pieces together.
You want to weld 2 pieces together? Okay. You can tell everyone you're good enough to weld 2 pieces together now?
But do I do dots?
Do dots, just like we've been doing.
Okay.
Except for you're gonna go right down that line with your dots. Just pretend that line's your black line.
Okay.
You think you can weld it together so it won't break?
Yes.
You think so? You make it super strong?
Yes. Dad, why does it come out way further?
Because it takes practice to be perfect, to keep it just right. Lots and lots of practice. Get yourself set up so you're comfortable. Okay, hold up. Hold up. We gotta cut that off and you gotta get just a touch closer.
Am I doing it perfect?
You're doing it perfect. I mean, that's actually really good. Really good. Gotta get closer, kiddo. Hit it.
There?
Yep. That's how close I want you. Okay, stop. Okay, now you're on your own again. Make that line straight. Hold up. You gotta get, let me move it a little closer. Okay, now go right on that line. Okay, what happened?
I got my own weld burnt.
You got that? I meant what happened. Why'd we have to stop? Did the GoPro die?
Yes.
Did Dad forget to charge the batteries?
Yes.
So that's it for welding for today, huh?
Yes.
Plus who do we gotta go pick up?
Cash?
Yeah, your brother?
Yes.
Well, what do you think about your welds?
Good.
Good, huh? Not too bad for a 5-year-old. We got, I mean, those 2 pieces you put together, Wyatt, you got the weld going along for a ways on that seam, didn't you? Right, right there. It'd probably even hold together, wouldn't it? Well, what do you think so far?
Pretty good.
We can do this again tomorrow?
Yes.
Okay, what are you gonna tell everybody? Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
See you later, alligator.
See you later, alligator.